What if I told you the most terrifying sniper in history hunted men in white, then simply walked home and milked his cows? Finland, Winter War 1939. Temperatures below -30. Soviet soldiers call the forest the White Death Zone because of one man, Simo Häyhä. He is 5'3", a quiet farmer and competitive shooter. No scope, just iron sights. He thinks scopes reflect light and give away position. He wraps snow in his mouth so his breath will not fog, packs snow in front of rifle to hide muzzle blast, builds tiny ice mounds. Soviet command does not believe the reports at first. Entire squads vanish. They send counter snipers, artillery barrages, even entire hunting parties with dogs. In under 100 days, he racks up more than 500 confirmed kills. Soviet troops refuse to lift their heads. Rumors spread of a ghost in white. March 6, 1940. A Soviet bullet finally finds him, explodes his lower face. He wakes up days later. The war is over. Häyhä spends the rest of his life hunting and farming. He never brags. When asked how he did it, he answers the same way every time. Practice. Just a quiet man who knew his rifle and treated every target like another fox.